Coat and Kevin Eubank, only on KSL-5 News.
Welcome back. This time of year, it seems like we're always spend at the stores, the malls, and everything. It's the holiday season after all. But it's time today to teach your kids about being responsible with money. And we love having Nanette Graviet here, the VP of Mortgage at Mountain America Credit Union with us. And you're also an expert because you have kids.
I do have a child,
and
so I know.
I love talking to parents about this because people who are parents or aspire to be parents one day, you have one interpretation of how things are going to be before you have kids. And then you have kids, and it's completely different. Why is it so important to teach kids about money management?
Teaching kids is huge. There was recently a study done by the University of Cambridge, and in that study, it revealed that money habits are set in children as early as 7 years old. So it's really important that we start early. Kids as early as 3 years old can start to understand the concept of saving versus spending. So those financial building blocks are essential when kids are young. So there's a couple of concepts that you want to make sure you teach kids. First of all, money is real. We live in an age of internet spending. Obviously, today's Cyber Monday, and they don't get to see the actual notes and coins like when you and I were growing up learning.
Bills.
Yeah, they just think it's just numbers on a page. So you want to make sure that they understand that concept. Money is real. Second, you also want them to understand that money comes from work. They don't just get money because they exist. They have to work for it. So one suggestion is to set up, say, a commission-based system where they get paid for some of the work that they do. Another thing is when it's gone, it's gone. I remember when my mom was teaching me about financial things when I was young, and I said, well, you've got checks in your checkbook.
There you go.
We've got money, right?
It just grows on trees,
Exactly. So letting them understand that when it's gone, it's gone. This is a good lesson for them to learn while they're young.
Give us one practical way to sort of implement that. Is it something like a budgeting process or giving kids cash or saying, here's what you have and that's it? Or what is something maybe that they can see if you're out shopping for the holidays?
Yeah, budgeting is a great way to understand. One suggestion for holiday spending is to set them up with a gift budget. So maybe they have several people on their list they're going to spend for. Give them a budget and then let them choose who they're going to spend that money on and how they're going to spend it.
Some good tips. And where can we find more information?
There's more budgeting tips on macu.com.
Perfect. macu.com. Nanette Graviet, we appreciate it. It is a Money Monday, so good.